Hello, and welcome to a virtual lab tour for the HOG lab. That's Hydrothermal Organic Geochemistry. One of the guiding forces in the HOG group is geomimicry. The Earth and other worlds are doing chemistry all the time, but at different conditions from typical labs. So we recreate temperatures and pressures of faraway places or even here close to the Earth, like in the ocean. To start off the tour today, I wanted to go through one of the first pieces of equipment that we use, which is our gas chromatography ovens. We repurposed these older ovens to heat up our reactions so that we could do our experiments. As you can see, I'm going to turn this one off real quick here. Just 1 second. Okay, when we open it up, we have our secondary reaction vessels. Those are just steel tubes, which we stick our experiments quartz tubes into, and that keeps us safe and our equipment safe. This is our standard fused quartz tubes. As you can see, it's sealed on one end and open on the other. These go up to high temperatures, up to 300 degrees Celsius, quite easily. And this is where we get our water. It's 18.2 megohm water. We just get it and fill it up, and this is what we use. Here we have our sealing station. We have our hookup here to our vacuum for our tubes. The tubes then runs all the way down here to our cold trap. The cold trap just keeps it very cold using liquid nitrogen, and just to remove as much gas as possible as we can from our tubes. Here we have just our tanks. We have hydrogen and oxygen feeding into here to our torch, and that's how we seal the tubes. And here's the finished product, a sealed quartz tube, complete with our liquid and chemicals in it. And here's our fume hood in which we do our extractions. And this is also where we handle particularly volatile chemicals and just dangerous stuff. And here's our GCMS that we're currently setting up. This is so that we can find out what our unknowns are in our experiments for like qualitative measurements. And next up, we're going to show you our GCFID, which is this guy. This is so that we can make our quantitative measurements, figure out how much our yields are and if we're heading in the right direction or if our estimations are correct. Well, thank you all for coming on this virtual tour with me today, and the whole HOG group thanks you as well. And we look forward to seeing you come fall. We'll see you around campus in the fall.